Hello, and welcome to the tour of Advanced Assembly's new quoting tool. We're excited to show you this new tool and hope that it will be a great help. Up first, we have the Start page. Here is where you can choose the services that you need to quote. These tiles toggle on and off, and a description of the service you have chosen is given down below. Up next, we have the Quantities and Turn Times page. Type in your quantity here, add additional quantities with the green plus, or remove them with the red X. Using the calendar dropdown, choose what date you would like your assembled boards shipped to you. As a note, here and going forward, there is a outline on the left side that shows how far along you are in your quoting process. Once you've chosen your quantities and turn times, it's time to upload your files. We need 3 files to complete a quote and begin building. They are your Gerber data, an XYRS or positioning file, and a BOM or bill of materials. You can drag and drop those here or choose them using this button. It's important to note that to continue your quote, your BOM will need to be in an Excel format, either CSV, XLS, or XLSX. Additionally, it needs to be called out separately from the rest of your files because you'll choose it from this drop-down menu here. We have helpful links for a good BOM format and a template if you don't already have one. Enter your contact info here, and we're off. On this page, we ask you to map your BOM using our system headers. Choose a drop-down to tell the system what information is contained in each column of your BOM. If a column contains information not pertinent to your quote, you can choose to skip it. Keep in mind that the system will not let you move forward without 5 critical information columns mapped out: quantity per board, reference designator, manufacturer, manufacturer part number, and description. Once you've got those columns mapped out, click Next. During this final BOM step, the system has already extracted data from your BOM, but you still need to let us know what parts you want us to purchase and install during assembly. If you would like us to not install or DNI or DNP something, simply uncheck Install and Purchase for that part line. Same goes for if you're consigning a part. However, just uncheck Purchase and leave Install checked. That way we know to still put it on your board. The system will then validate and import your BOM and search through our database to find the best place to purchase the part. Additionally, be sure to include a line for your PCB on your BOM. Otherwise, you'll have to add it in here. Next, you can choose any optional services you would like to add onto your build. Use the toggle to designate whether you would like a service or not. Keep in mind, additional services can carry additional costs and lead times. If you're unsure about a service, you can click Review to have a quoting specialist review your files for you. At this stage, add in your assembly details. Any through-hole parts or SMT parts, give us those counts. Now we've come to your PCB details. Enter your raw board specs here and choose any options you would like. Keep in mind, anything outside of these parameters will require a custom quote. Next, you'll see the part availability status for all line items on your BOM. You can filter the list on the right side to show issues only. For unavailable parts, use the drop-down to select the alternate recommendation if there is one: do not install, supply it yourself, or have us help. Once your BOM is all clear, you'll see this screen. Keep in mind, there will be multiple tabs for multiple quantities. We're almost done. Here, the system will ask you to log in. If this is your first time quoting with us, you'll need to register and verify your email. Now that you've logged in, you have your pricing. This breakdown shows you the quantity, anticipated ship date, assembly and parts cost, NRE, and a PCB cost. It will also call out any additional costs from special services that you have chosen. Choose the quantity that you need and click the corresponding orange cart. On this billing and shipping screen, you get a summary of your project and a total price including tax. Enter where you want your board shipped and choose a shipping method here. Enter a corporate shipping account if you have one, and confirm your order. And finally, enter your credit card information and click Pay. Whew, you made it! Thank you for your time and going through this step-by-step guide on our quoting system. We look forward to working with you and building your next amazing project.